Imagine being able to create your own animated characters that stay perfectly consistent throughout your videos, all with the help of AI. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. If you're someone who's looking to create animated cartoons, kids' stories, or even short films, this video is going to be super valuable for you. We're going to learn how to use HailuoAI.com, a text-to-video AI model, to create consistent animated characters. I'll break everything down step by step, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along and create something amazing.
Step 1. Creating your story.
The first thing we need is a story that will serve as the foundation for your animated video. You can easily create a simple story using any AI tool, like ChatGPT or Bing AI. Don't worry, this part is super easy. Go to ChatGPT and type a prompt like this. Give me 10 prompts to create a short kid's story with two main characters, a boy named Miko and a girl named Freya. ChatGPT will give you 10 different story ideas that cover various adventures and themes. Take your time to look through the ideas and pick the one you like best. Once you have chosen a prompt, tell ChatGPT to write the full story based on your choice. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate a complete story for you. For this example, I selected The Friendly Monster, a short story where Miko and Freya meet a cute friendly monster. Once you have the story, it's important to remember that our main focus is on making sure Miko and Freya look the same in every scene of your animation. Consistency is key here, so let's move on to how we can achieve that.
Step 2. Describing your characters.
Now that we've got the story, we need to create detailed descriptions of our characters to make sure their appearance stays the same throughout the video. To help with this, I'll share two methods for developing detailed character descriptions. The first method involves using ChatGPT. We can input our story script and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. Based on the story's context, ChatGPT can generate detailed descriptions of each character. Open ChatGPT in a new browser tab. Keep in mind, this will be our main ChatGPT tab. Then copy the prompt I've provided in the video description and paste it into the ChatGPT. Now copy the story script you just created and paste it into ChatGPT. The prompt will instruct ChatGPT to analyze the script and generate detailed descriptions for each character, such as their facial features, age, clothing, and other details. This is key because every time we use Miko and Freya in a scene, ChatGPT will automatically add these details to ensure consistency. In the second method, we will search for 3D cartoon characters on Google. Look for copyright-free images or PNGs with transparent backgrounds so you can use them without any legal issues. Once you find characters that match the style or appearance you want, download them. If you prefer, you can use an AI tool to generate your own characters, but make sure they're saved as PNG files with transparent backgrounds. You can remove the background from your image by using the website remove.dg. Now we have the images of Miko and Freya. After you remove the background of the character images, it's time to upload them into ChatGPT. Then, ChatGPT will analyze these images and generate detailed descriptions of the characters. Here is how you can do it. Let's start with Freya's image. Open the new ChatGPT tab, and there's an option to upload files. Upload Freya's image first. Once Freya's image is uploaded, copy the specific prompt from the video description and paste it into ChatGPT along with her image. Hit Enter. ChatGPT will now give you a detailed description of Freya's character based on the image. This will serve as the foundation for all future prompts related to her appearance in the story. Next, we'll do the same for Miko. Upload Miko's image into ChatGPT. Copy the prompt for Miko from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit Enter. ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt for Miko, just like it did for Freya. Now we have character prompts for both Miko and Freya, and we're ready to move on to the next step.
Step 3. Setting up character consistency.
We're now going to take these character descriptions and make sure ChatGPT understands that every time Miko and Freya appear in the story, they should use those exact details to keep them consistent throughout the animation. Here's what you'll do. First, copy prompt 4 from the video description and paste it into the main ChatGPT tab. But before hitting Enter, go back to the tab where you generated Miko's description. Copy all of Miko's details and paste them together with prompt 4 in the main tab. By doing this, you ensure that every time Miko's name appears in the script, ChatGPT will automatically include those specific details. This helps maintain consistency in the character's appearance and behavior throughout the entire video. Repeat the same steps for Freya and any other main character in your story. This will lock in the consistency for all the characters throughout the script. Step 4. Generating the video in HailuoAI. Now comes the exciting part. Creating the video. We'll use Minimax, a text-to-video tool that can take the prompts we've created and turn them into animations. Here's how to do it. Go to the HailuoAI website. It's free for now, but it may change in the future. Once you're there, click the second green button to access the video creation workspace. Now we have to create prompts to generate video. For that, copy the first scene of your story and go back to the main ChatGPT tab. Paste the scene into ChatGPT and let it generate a detailed prompt that includes both Miko and Freya's appearance, as well as the environment of the scene. Once you have the prompt, you're ready to bring it into HailuoAI. Copy and paste the generated prompt into HailuoAI in the video description section, and click Generate Video, and wait for the magic to happen. The video will take a couple of minutes to generate, but once it's done, you'll have a short animation. Now, let's take another scene from the story to check if the character remains consistent. Follow the same steps as before. Copy the second scene from the story and paste it into the main ChatGPT tab. Let ChatGPT process the scene and provide a detailed prompt, including character details. Once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, copy it and paste it into the HailuoAI text box. Review the prompt to ensure everything looks correct. If there's anything to change or improve, modify the prompt before proceeding. Finally, click Create to complete the process. Look, these videos look incredible. And the best part is that the characters stay consistent in all of them. If you ever want to change your characters, like updating their outfits or adding new features, you can easily do that by adjusting the prompts we created in ChatGPT. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create animated videos with characters that stay consistent from start to finish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI videos like these. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.